Hey everyone! Welcome back to Horsepower Hub. Today I'm diving into how artificial intelligence is completely transforming the car industry. From self-driving cars to smart manufacturing, AI is driving us into the future, literally. So, buckle up and let's get started. First up, autonomous vehicles. Companies like Tesla, Waymo, and even traditional giants like BMW and Mercedes are leveraging AI to create self-driving cars that can navigate traffic, recognize pedestrians, and even find parking spots, without human intervention. AI systems use complex algorithms, computer vision, and deep learning to analyze real-time data from sensors and cameras. This technology reduces human error, which is responsible for 94% of road accidents, making our roads safer and more efficient. Next, we have connected cars. AI enables vehicles to communicate with each other and surrounding infrastructure, like traffic lights and road sensors. This is known as vehicle-to-everything or V2X communication. Imagine your car getting a heads up about traffic jams, accidents, or even potholes before you see them. This level of connectivity enhances safety, reduces congestion, and optimizes fuel efficiency. But it's not just about the cars themselves. AI is also revolutionizing how they're built. In manufacturing, AI-powered robots work alongside humans to assemble vehicles with precision and speed. Machine learning algorithms monitor quality in real time, detecting defects that the human eye might miss. This reduces waste, cuts costs, and ensures that every car meets high-quality standards. AI is also making your driving experience smarter and more personalized. Voice-activated assistants like Alexa Auto or Google Assistant help you control navigation, music, and even home devices hands-free. AI learns your driving habits, preferred routes, and even adjusts seat positions and temperature settings automatically. Basically, your car knows you better than you know yourself. AI isn't just a tech trend, it's a game-changer for the industry. The global automotive AI market is projected to reach $15 billion by 2027. We're seeing trends like shared autonomous fleets, AI-driven maintenance alerts, and even emotion detection systems that monitor driver fatigue. So what does the future hold? Well, the possibilities are endless. AI is not just changing how we drive, but how we live, work, and move. It's paving the way for smarter cities and a more connected world. Alright, that's a wrap. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tech updates. And hey, drop a comment below. What excites you the most about AI and cars? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Remember, the future of driving is not just about getting from point A to point B. It's about making the journey safer, more efficient, and more enjoyable. With AI, we're not just improving cars, we're revolutionizing the entire driving experience. So stay tuned for more updates on how technology is shaping the future of mobility. Until next time, drive safe and stay curious.